Welcome! In this product design and customer experience focused demo, in collaboration with Bentley Motors, you'll visit an interactive virtual showroom using our soon-to-be released Intel OSPRay Studio application powered by our OSPRay renderer. Before we start, take a look at the computational infrastructure we are using, which is 10 Intel Xeon server nodes with Intel Optane persistent memory that we call Black Panther. There are no GPUs or accelerators. The demo is screen captured live with no post-production enhancements to show you what you would experience running this demo yourself. We'll provide an inside look at an exciting proof-of-concept collaboration between Intel and Bentley Motors Limited, the world's most sought-after luxury car brand. For over 100 years, Bentley Motors has been the preeminent builder of bespoke handcrafted motor vehicles. Using Intel OneAPI Rendering Toolkit, we have achieved an interactive, configurable, fully virtual vehicle showroom modeled after Bentley's own CW1 flagship showroom, housing 12 highly detailed 3D digital vehicles with over 20 million primitives each. The full scene, vehicles, showroom, and props totals over 315 million triangles and textures, occupying 120 gigabytes of memory. The digital models have not been simplified or tailored to fit RenderKit's rendering pipeline. RenderKit is built to scale to match the user's workflow. With almost limitless personalization options, Bentley vehicles are the most configurable in the industry. The simplest cars have over 10 billion orderable combinations that a customer can select from. The extended paint palette alone is 120 colors. We don't have time to show you all of them. That's lots of choices. Here are a few from outside and inside the vehicle. OSPRay is able to render them beautifully. Digital craftsmanship down to the trademark flying bee hood ornament and cut crystal headlamp design make for an experience beyond photoreal that Bentley calls Hyper-Realism. These vehicle models use the same tagging systems as the physical production lines, representing the most efficient way to ensure the virtually configured digital cars match the buyer's physically manufactured and delivered car expectations. The interior features are just as exquisitely detailed as the exteriors, from the luster of the wood veneers to the hand stitching in the seats. They are meticulously modeled for accuracy. OSPRay Studio, powered by OSPRay, faithfully renders them live, providing the utmost in creative freedom for both Bentley's designers and for customer selections. How do we achieve this fully path-traced imagery with such a complex scene? This demo makes use of 4 Intel OneAPI RenderKit open source components. Intel OSPRay provides a scalable, cluster-aware path-traced renderer based on Intel OSPRay ray tracing kernels. OSPRay is used extensively in film and professional rendering applications. In this case, OSPRay with OSPRay is utilizing the Black Panther cluster's 10 compute nodes with off-the-shelf Intel Xeon processors. Intel Open Image Denoise provides high-quality AI-based image denoising to achieve beautiful, noise-free images, improving interactivity. These libraries use all the platform provides, including threading and SIMD vector instructions such as AVX512 for optimal compute performance. Bringing it all together, Intel OSPRay Studio provides the flexible application front end for interacting with and manipulating the scene. It enables test driving OSPRay's continually growing features. What does this mean for Bentley? Efficiency. By 2022, Bentley says the configurator digital fleet will require 2.5 million images per year, all maintained in line with product changes and ongoing customer enhancements throughout their life cycles. Using their own authentic 3D model data, with no need or cost to reduce the model complexity to match a predefined software package workflow, reduces the impact on Bentley ways of working. The ability to leverage and take advantage of open source platforms, such as Intel OSPRay Rendering Toolkit, allows Bentley to rapidly research and develop proofs of concept, such as this one. By creating an interactive, configurable, fully virtual showroom, Bentley sales and marketing teams, along with designers and engineers, will be able to explore new ideas, configurations, and environments quickly and easily. And through upcoming collaborative features, these ideas can be shared and simultaneously developed globally through open source. And those are some of the exciting capabilities we wanted to highlight in this brief demo. Recapping, we've showcased OSPRay Studio, a clean and simple application framework for driving all of OSPRay's leading-edge features. We've shown OSPRay, which provides a scalable and extensible rendering infrastructure built on top of Embray's ray tracing kernels, which, as you've seen, can be used for render preview and interactive applications to accelerate authoring and other artist or look development workflows. We've shown Open Image Denoise, which provides high-quality AI-based image denoising of path-traced rendering. And finally, we've shown that the Intel OSPRay Rendering Toolkit can scale to fit your needs and match your workflow, whether it be in VFX in films, scientific visualization, or photorealistic product design and manufacturing. I'd like to thank Paul Chapman, Bentley's Virtual Media Manager, and all our friends at Bentley Motors for their great partnership and for allowing us to show you this exciting work in progress. You can find more details about Intel OSPRay Rendering Toolkit, our other demos, and more at the web URLs provided on this page. Thanks.